You see that all-time high, $8,983. Can you guess what project got to that point? And we're going to talk about it right now. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. Let me go ahead and zoom out and zoom back in, and you guessed it. Yes, that's right. That's Leash. Leash is now $1,551. All-time high was $8,900. Now, I still have Leash right here, highlighted in gold. I've owned 5 leashes. You see it in my portfolio Excel sheet, and you also see it in my Shibaswap as well. Now, but the reason why I'm holding Leash, because I see tremendous potential, and it says so right in the white paper. Do you remember? Sometimes we forget about these things. It says this, and I'll read it. Leash is the second token. Now I'll go ahead and zoom in just for everybody who wants to see it a little bit closer. Leash is the second token in the Shiba Inu ecosystem. It was originally envisioned to rebase token to tie to the price of Dogecoin. Remember? Later, it was decided that Leash would turn off the rebase function. The keys to allow rebase were burnt to ensure this and continue as a simple ERC20 token. Don't be surprised if Leash gets listed on some exchanges. Don't be surprised by that, or more exchanges in the future. SHIB was made to have an enormous supply. You know, SHIB has a big supply, 1 quadrillion tokens. Here it is. But with half locked away, whereas the supply of Leash is only 107,647 minted tokens. So you have a very low supply. You see it right here on CoinMarketCap, 107,647, and the price is a bargain. It's definitely a bargain, no question, even at $1,000. But if I go back to here, it says this: due to the low supply of tokens minted, the demand and the reward for holding Leash, Ethereum, SSLP will lead to a rise similar to that of Doge. Oh, excuse me, similar to that of SHIB. Don't be surprised if Leash go parabolic in the future. And remember, it only have 107,647 minted tokens. Now, one I see here, if I put in, let's say I had $8,900, the all-time high. If I put this in here right now, I get 8 leashes. 8 leashes at the all-time high. Just by doing this, 8 leashes. If I, $8,900, I can only get 1 leash at the all-time high. But today, I get 8 of them. So to me, I feel like this is something to really think about. Leash, I understand the price has been going up and down. I understand the fact that when you're burying your leash, you only get some bones, but at least you get some, you get some bone. I do wish it was more, but I'm thankful for whatever I get when it comes to the Shibaswap. But I see the unwolfable there, 31. I'm gonna be happy to accept that in January. So what I'm saying on here, when I go look at this as well, remember this as well. This is also information that says something right here. In Ryoshi vision, Leash governs Shy specifically. We are investigating how exact this portion of his vision will granting more power and utility to one of my favorite tokens, Leash. Now, Leash is going to play a big role in Shy. And also, I do believe it's going to play a big role in the ecosystem of Shiba. And this information came out on Satoshi Medium, not that far back. So all I'm saying, guys, do your research, realize this is a bargain, $1,047, and has a small supply of $107,000. I'm holding. So my Leash prediction, in my opinion, it will surpass all-time high and get past $10,000. That's my prediction. It will be over $10,000 because of all the dominoes. You got this here, low supply, it's only minted this amount of money, and also Leash plays an important role in the ecosystem. Then you have this information by Ryoshi Vision of this SHI. And you got the Shibarium financial ecosystem coming up soon, or probably either by the end of this year or sometime next year. And then also you still can bury your leash to get bones, and you can only get leash on so many different places. Think about this. If I go zoom in and click on market, you only can get leash on so many different exchanges. No major exchange you see there. You see Shibaswap, Uniswap, and 1inch exchange. And you see a couple of them here. Not Coinbase, you don't see Crypto.com, you don't see Binance, and you don't even see Gemini. It's so many of them that you don't see. What happens if leash gets on an exchange? What happens? You know what? Part of the Shibaswap ecosystem, that's gonna be more demand. If I go to the hodlers, it's not a lot of people holding leash because people are sleeping. They're sleeping on leash. And I'm telling you, leash is the real deal, but you're gonna have to wait. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. Captain NU here to deliver the news, to let you know leash is the real deal and is so undervalued right now from the all-time high. I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to click on the link below. Sign up for your eToro account or sign up for your Webull account and get Shiba today. I'll see you on the next.